What's up, YouTube? It's your boy IC Street Tech coming to you guys with a real quick video. Just coming to you, real quick one with just basically the PS5. It's going to be announced. Right here you see it. Future of Gaming. Join us on June 4th at 1 p.m. So Eastern Time, pretty sure, because if it's 10 o'clock, that time is 1 o'clock our time. So just give that 3 hours difference, so it will be probably about 3-4 o'clock my time, Eastern time, for this to see this. And actually that's pretty cool because the fourth is I forgot what day it is, but I am actually excited to see it. I'm actually ready for it. If it looks, because I know they announced the white PS5 controller, and it was sleek, it was nice, it was almost like Xboxy, but it still had the long length, so be a holder with better grip. But I am ready for this, and I'm definitely ready for this. I'm actually gonna show like a quick video of it, what they of what they was doing before this, saying this announcement. But they announced this today, and I'm just putting this out there because I'm actually excited and ready for this console, and not spoiler alert or anything else like that. But I am doing a giveaway on this console whenever it launch. I'm actually going to purchase it, do my review and everything else, but I am going to be giving one of these away. So stay tuned for that. I will be giving away two consoles. One is X, one is this. X and 5. So I'll be giving those away to you guys. And I might try to put a bundle package to help these guys who want to stream and everything else. So stay tuned for that. So if we, get a lot of likes and a lot of subs for this, I will try to work something out to get you guys the perfect thing. But let's get right into it. The lighting, excuse me for the lighting, it should be a little brighter, but it's actually dim. I don't know why, but we just gonna get right into it. Just get out of here. So this is all the things they saying about the future of the game, and the president and CEO. This basically just with the next generation of the PS5, the first PlayStation to the PS4, we are higher, and we will push the boundaries to further to try to deliver the better experience for our community. I love this, and it's console been out for 25 years, so they've been making. I no disrespect to anything, because I know the latest PlayStation was pretty. It was still there, but like everybody went to Xbox, then Xbox, with the PlayStation. It was pretty awesome with this whole situation right here. I I think this is going to be the first game here. It's going to be announced on it. For it. Play on it. But I like one thing they did say is like, whatever games you get, like just like Madden announced that if any Madden that you buy on your PS5, the Madden 2021, will be free to come over to your PlayStation 5. I actually thought that was pretty good. I'm thinking that most of the games that you purchase for the PS4 before this console come out, you should be able to go over to it. Because I know a lot of people, I didn't see 2K launching on there, but they probably going to put something out there later for that. So stay tuned for that, because I do play 2K, Call of Duty, a lot of games. I'm really heavy on the gamers, so I am trying to get a little bit better on streaming for you guys, showing the fun I have with me and my brother playing the game, and a couple of my friends. So stay tuned for that. And let me see if I can pull this announcement up for you guys. I'm going to replay this for you guys. It was just something quick, quick and fast. They just, posted this video up. That you can see that the buttons are clear on it, but we already seen that on the PlayStation controller, PS5. So that's one thing I did like about there. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a lot of things to better my channel and better things for you guys for this PS5. We're going to do a lot of gameplay, especially with I seen the graphics for when they had a gameplay with this PS5. I'm thinking that the game should be just similar to, just a better graphics on the PS4. I built my own PC. It's pretty strong, pretty, massive. That I could probably play these same games on it right now, but I would like my console because I love the console, love everything about PS5, PS4, but I'm ready for the PS5. I'm Can't wait to see what this new console is going to look like, the gameplay, and see what all they're going to pitch on there. But this was just a quick one, me giving out to you guys because I dropped one in a while. But stay tuned. I am doing a giveaway, so I decided to just give guys a gift card. So if you're watching this video, you're from the at&t video, thank you for subscribing and also repeat and like, sub, and more contents. I'm coming for you guys, and I'm doing a lot of giveaways. So I decided to do a gift card giveaway. So you will stay tuned. So it might pop up on one of these videos. Just stay tuned watching. There's going to be something in the beginning. So if you hit that bell notification, you would be the first one to be able to get that gift card, because I'm actually just going to pop it up on the screen. Whoever get it first, get it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned for that. So if you see it, I'm sorry if you didn't get it or whatever. But that's what I'm going to start doing for that part. But like I said before, thank you guys for watching. Like, sub, and subscribe. Same thing. Sub and subscribe. Yep, same thing. But excuse me on that one. But I'm just trying to make this content real good. I had a long day today, so I'm a little drained. So we're going to go ahead and stop this video. But who is excited for this day here? Leave a comment below. Let's talk. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it, and catch you in the next one. Peace.